much weight I gain, my breast doesn't really grow. It doesn't really get big, like the way I'm gaining weight in my hips and on my butts. It does. Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake of my canal. So today I'm here to answer some of your questions on this particular video that is playing on the background. This video is a smoothie that I make. It's a weight gain video of a smoothie that I make. I think I have all the ingredients I use on this particular smoothie in the description box. I still get questions like, what exactly do you use? Everything is in the description box. Everything I use in the description box. I use banana, avocado, milk, and pineapple. These are the products that I use to make this particular smoothie. The title said gain weight on the right places. Yes, gain weight on the right places. Also, it's when you gain weight naturally on your body, which path does weight goes. Everybody, our body is built different. We all have a different body type, different shapes. I know some people, when they gain weight, the weight goes on their stomach. Some people, when they gain weight, the weight goes on their breasts. Some people, when they gain weight, it goes on their hips and on their buttocks. So when I said that, I made that title, it doesn't mean that when you eat or you drink this smoothie, the weight is going to be in a particular place that you want. Okay, when I do gain weight, I gain weight overall. Like, I gain weight overall, but there are certain parts on my body that gain more fat than the others. Like I always say in my video, whenever I gain weight, it doesn't matter how big or how much weight I gain, my breast doesn't really grow. It doesn't really get big, like the way I'm gaining weight in my hips and on my butts. It doesn't. My face, you can see on my face that I'm gaining weight because my face get a little bit puffier. My hand a little bit, because then you can see the line of the muscle kind of like full up a little bit. My stomach, not really. My side, on my body, my side, you can see that I'm gaining weight, but the major part that where my fat goes is on my buttocks, it's on my bum, my hips and my butt. So it's not that it's not that it doesn't work. It works. If you take avocado and banana smoothie every single day, trust me, you will gain weight. So definitely the result is 100%. It works. I don't come here to share with you, to share something that doesn't work. Something I try. That's why in most of my videos, in almost all of my videos, I always say it works for everybody in a different ways. But definitely, if you take avocado and banana as a smoothie every single day, you will gain the weight. So the weight is going to come. How you're going to maintain that weight to shape your body to the way you want it, that depends on you. You can go to the gym. Now you can use waist trainer. There's so many things that you can do now to shape your body to the way you want it. But definitely, when you gain weight, you're going to gain weight on the right places. That is how your body is built. So when you gain weight, if I gain weight and the weight goes to my hips, that's not the wrong place, because that is how my body is shaped. My body is shaped that way. So definitely I'm gaining weight according to my body, and the weight goes to the right places according to how my body is built. So definitely it works. If it doesn't work, I would never come here and talk about it. As right now I'm talking to you guys, I'm still drinking this particular smoothie. Today is the 18th of August 2023. I'm still on my weight gain journey. Like I said, I am somebody who lose weight very, very fast. I lose weight very, very fast. Gaining weight for me is much more difficult than losing weight. If I have a little bit of stress or just a little bit, I'm feeling sick and I don't eat. I don't know, when you are sick, you don't have appetite to eat. I will lose weight. I lose weight like this. Gaining weight for me is a struggle. So smoothies like this really helps me. Once in the morning, once at night, really helps me to gain weight. As we're talking right now, I am making this smoothie. I take this every night. I don't use the same ingredient in the video, but I definitely have avocado and banana on this smoothie. I definitely have avocado and banana. As right now I'm talking to you guys, I purchased avocado and banana, which I'm going to be making smoothie this night also. So how I take my smoothies is I take it in the morning, and I have my breakfast. I try now to have breakfast in the morning, and then I take my smoothie. I have lunch in between, I have dinner, and then after dinner, before bedtime, I also make my smoothie, and I also take that smoothie. And I also have some yogurt, some other stuff that I protein bars and yogurt that I also purchase at the store, and I also combine those to make, because the more you eat, the more you gain weight. For me, when I know that my body burns fat, my body burns fat faster, I try to eat more now, more than I'm supposed to eat, because I also, that's something I also discussed with a food specialist. I said I want to gain weight, because when I go to my doctor is like, you're looking very good, for your age, for your length, you're okay. So they're not going to give me any supplement that's going to make me to gain weight, because for my doctor, my health, my everything, I'm okay, I'm perfectly okay. But because I insisted that I want to gain more weight, I want to find a way that I can eat to add more weight, because I don't like the way I'm looking. Not that I'm looking bad, but I just want to have a little bit of fat on me, you know. And so my doctor recommended me to a food specialist, and she recommended some certain plans of plan. She gave me a plan that I'm following, and I told her the kind of things that I like to eat, the smoothies that I'm making, the vitamins that I'm taking. And she was like, okay, she gave me a plan, and I followed that plan. That plan is not, that plan is consistently of everything I normally take. My smoothies, my dinner, just that I take more. Instead of taking the smoothie once a day, I take it twice. Take it in the morning, and I take it in the evening, at night before bed. And I also have breakfast. I force myself to have breakfast, because for me that's my biggest problem. I don't really have breakfast in the morning. So I force myself to have breakfast. On top of my breakfast, I also drink my smoothie. In the afternoon, I try my best also to eat something in the afternoon. And what I do also, I eat some couple of boiled eggs, boiled Irish potato. I try to eat something, and then at night also I force myself to eat something, and I try to have like those little bits of snacks in between, those protein bars in between. And then at night I have my smoothie. I still take my maca roots, which also helps me with my appetite, just that I don't take a lot of the maca roots like the way I'm supposed to. The pills you're supposed to take 3 times a day, I don't take it. I take 1 pill a day, because like I said, the maca root really helps you with your sexual drive, and I really don't have energy for that every single time. So I kind of cut down on the maca roots, which that one will come another update. If you guys have seen my vitamin video on how I organize my vitamins, I'll link that video for you guys somewhere here or in the comments box. Go and check that video out. I show you guys how I organize my vitamins, and you guys see I only add 1 maca root. So I'm still taking my maca root, I'm still on my weight gain journey, and I'm still taking this particular smoothie that I am talking about. If you guys watch my face, you guys can see on my face I've gained weight. I'm going to do a short video. I'm going to put a video here on the side to show you guys how my body is looking like right now. I'm really gaining the weight right now. I also want to start waist training, because I know the weight is now coming, especially on my stomach. It's getting a little bit, you know, you can see a little bit of fat on my stomach. But I want to wait till I am in particular stage before I start the waist trainer. I'm doing workouts at home. I try my best to exercise at home. Not that much, not really a fitness guru or specialist. I just watch videos, and I try to do like the Russian twist, some stuff like that. So definitely it works. I'm still taking it. I will do a quick video and post it to show you guys what I'm taking this night. The banana and the avocado, those are 2 staple on every smoothie I make. I always have banana and avocado. I will add other ingredients, like I will add some like kiwi, strawberries, but banana and avocado, because those are those are two products that has a lot of fat, according to the food specialist. Banana has a really a lot of fat, especially when you blend it, and avocado also have a really rich fat. So those are two things that are always on my smoothies whenever I'm making it. So it works. It all depends on you. And one thing about stuff is consistency. You have to be consistent with everything you're doing if you want to see results. And you have to know your body type. So you don't see somebody look this way, somebody did certain exercise, the person looked this way, and you're expecting to get the same result. It doesn't work that way. We all have a different type. You have to know your body type and accept your body type, and know, okay, when I'm taking the smoothie, the weight is coming, but then what can I do to get the weight, to balance the weight to where I want it. There are a lot of exercise, there are a lot of things you can do right now to shape your body the way you want to, naturally, without going under surgery. So I've been getting a lot of comments, and so I thought, let me come here and explain to you, talk to you about this, because some of you guys are like really some mean comments. I really don't like to react negative with negative. So I thought, let me just come here and do this quick video and share with you guys, so you guys understand. If you're consistent with the product, it does work. How your body is shaped, how your body is built is different from mine. We are both different. I have friends of mine, when they gain weight, their breasts grow. Even if I gain 200 kilo, my breasts will not be as my friends. It's definitely not going to be the same. My breast is just going to be like somebody that just starts growing, like somebody that is her breast just start growing. That's how my breast will be. Even when I have kids, my breast is just there. So if I gain a little bit of weight, it's just going to look like my breast is starting to grow. It's not going to be like full and everything like that. And that is how my body is. As much as I'm taking fenugreek, I'm trying to do all the things to make it a little bit fuller, but I've accepted the way it is, and I try to walk around it. So yeah, that's it, and I hope this video helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box, or feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. My phone number is also in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doei.